The following is an installation demonstration of an IPC chair rail. Gauge the chair rail height by measuring against the chairs that will be used in the space. Measure 4 inches in from each end of the retainer. Then evenly mark for holes along the remaining space. Along the center line, use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill the holes. Place the end caps on each end of the retainer. Line up the chair rail with your level and mark the holes on the wall. Fully drill holes into the wall with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Place alligator anchors into the holes. Mount the chair rail to the wall with the provided screws. Use self-tapping screws to secure the end caps. For the cover, measure the distance between the end caps, marking right at the desired seam for a tight fit. Saw off the end for a clean line, then measure to the desired length. To attach the cover, attach the top and then apply force to snap the rest of the cover into place. Once finished, use an approved cleaner to wipe the chair rail clean.